Do you prefer 3M, this box of gold right here,
Yeah.
or these? Put it on stun. Small one here. Oh! Alright, so... Okay, I got a question for you.
What?
Which one do you prefer? Okay. Why do you half prefer these? Oh, look at that question right there. Look at that.
So that's for if you're doing like a radius.
This is Diablo. Here, Diablo. I know these things are about a year old by now, but they just showed up in our stores.
Yeah, we hadn't seen it before, and we were like, whoa.
And
Okay.
well, we saw them and we saw the pricing, and when you realize that you can buy this and buy this for what one of these boxes cost, it's pretty much a no-brainer. And then you get a chance to sand with them.
Yeah.
And it shreds.
So the 80 grit.
It shreds,
Rip.
doesn't it? It's like
rips.
literally a cheese grater.
Yeah, it really takes the drywall off. What I've done with mine is I put 80 on the bottom. So this is the stiff portion of the pad down here. It's really stiff. And then I put my 120 grit up on the top.
Okay.
And so that's how I define, hey, this is a softer end, which means it has my 120 on the top.
I will say it's nice to hold on to. It gives you
Yeah.
cushion for your hand too.
And then I put my 180 on the back. So
Okay.
I just look at it and I automatically know this is 120, that's 80. So whatever grit I need, I just flip it.
So there's 10 sheets in here.
Yep.
And weren't these like $5, $6 box?
Probably.
And these are what? $50 a box?
Yeah.
Block?
So
Something like that.
the when you buy one of these, it comes with, I saw it over here. 2 sheets of 80, 2 sheets of 120, and 1 sheet of 220.
It really, initially, just buying this right here, it's a good deal.
Gets you.
'Cause I don't
The
forget
80,
what we
the
paid
sheets of
for.
80 right here that we got from.
They last.
Yeah, they do.
They last way longer.
Now the
than
thing I
this.
found is you cannot go sideways like this.
Okay.
You have to do up and down. I noticed they hang the sheet. It's
Is
a
it
little
the way-
long.
It's with the Velcro.
Yep.
Okay, gotcha.
I tried going sideways too much and it starts to ball up. Once it balls up, it's done. You need to throw the sheet away because you don't want it balling up on the end.
Okay.
So try to keep it straight, or if you want to go that way, just flip it and go the other direction. For big wide open surfaces, if you're going about a 1/2 inch to 1/4 inch away from corners, these work great. You still have to use your traditional.
Yeah, you're still gonna have to have a
Blocks to
couple of
do
these to do your corners, or your 45 one of those, but
But
we're gonna almost switch 90% to
yes,
these.
one sheet will I think last longer than
They are.
almost 2 of these blocks.
Yeah, they're definitely outlasting.
So and they're
the
still
blocks.
working great.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, when you got butt joints, especially, we frame that opening in.
and what I mean by that is
That's just part of it.
is
You're
you'll
gonna have to.
you'll use a block and you'll set it like on the light or something, and then you'll bring out a new block and you'll be like, oh, I still got that block over there. So you break that one out, you sand with it a little bit, and you're like, this thing's a piece of junk. So you throw it away. These ones, I grab it and it's always working like it was essentially almost brand new.
Yeah.
So you keep coming back to the same block. You don't have blocks laying all over the place. You just have one.
Totally recommend these.
Yeah.
All right. Oh, hey, part number. Quick! Is there a part number? Just 2 and 3.
Item number?
Item number. No, that's
D&D.
right here. I'm looking for this.
Right there.
Oh my goodness! Look at that part number.
DFB 20.
It says it's good for wood, metal, and plastics. Whatever.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, there's your washable right there.
Alright. See it's. You know, a lot of times people think that these things are dust free. I don't know if you saw any dust falling in there. There's 2 adjustments. One is you can turn your speed down, and of course our suction's always all the way up, but if your paper is really biting, you're gonna throw more dust. Either way, we got the air scrubber going over there. But that's a common misconception with these drywall sanders, that you're not gonna have any dust. You're still gonna have some. But I could turn this speed down to where I didn't have any, but then your arms start to get wore out if you're holding it too much. Either way, let's get back to I think it's almost holding it. It's almost holding it to the wall. Cool.